Hey guys, I'm Kristen. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing some fall DIYs. This first one is just this chalkboard. I got it brand new from the Goodwill outlet, and it was $1.29, and originally from Walmart, I think. It is by the plaid version. I'm also using a Chalkator silkscreen transfer or a silkscreen stencil, and I got this one a couple years ago, so they no longer carry this one, but they always have so many cute ones. These were normally for like pumpkin surfaces, so that's why it's kind of shaped round with like a stem. But I thought it would look really cute on this. I had some different ideas going, and then when I pulled the transfer off, I was like, I just really like this as is. It is so pretty, and I love these colors against that black chalkboard. And all the colors and everything I use with Chalkator, I will link them in the description box below if they are available still. So some of these I've had for a couple years. They change the colors, they get new ones or sold out. So I will let you guys know exactly the colors of these. But the reveal, the pull off, this is my favorite part, and I think this one is so cute. Next one, I'm using this pig. This was from a Dollar Tree sign, and I ripped it off a while ago, did a DIY, and then I kept this because I figured I would eventually do something with it. I also grabbed these straw hats I showed in. Those were from Hobby Lobby, and I want to say they're like $1.49, but they do carry them at Dollar Tree. I haven't seen them personally at mine, but I've seen many people say that they did have them at theirs. So you could find them for a little bit cheaper than Hobby Lobby, or you can just go with that. So this menu sign came from Dollar General. It was half off, so it was 33 bucks. And I'm using some scrapbook paper. This is the Echo Park scrapbook paper, but I get all my scrapbook paper, or the majority of it, from Liz at moredecalaNddecor.com, and I'll link her website in the description box. I'm also using half wood beads. These are larger, but they fit perfect along here. And then I just added the pig right to the center. So this wasn't necessarily what I started out doing with this pig. So that's kind of why he's white, or I probably would have done him like red or orange or something if I knew the background of this was going to be a little busy. So I'm thinking that I'm going to have to paint this pig a different color, or it kind of just drowns him out just a little bit, and I really want him to pop. So it's kind of like afterwards, and I was like looking at it far away, I'm like, okay, this pig definitely needs to be another color. Added that scarecrow hat to the pig, and you have a little fall farmhouse DIY. This DIY, I'll be using these apple ornaments or craft ornaments. These are from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be using 3 of them for this project. I'm using the Crimson Color by Waverly chalk paint and painting all 3 of these apples. Now, once these are done, I decided to go in with this fabric paint. This is by the Tulip brand, and the only place I could find brown fabric paint or even puffy paint was from Amazon. So this little bottle was $7, which I think was pricey, but I needed it for a ton of different projects now and Christmas. I might even have to get another bottle. So if you guys know where I can find this, because I've looked everywhere, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Michael's, mine just never carry it. And I feel like there isn't even a spot for brown. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have actually found brown or you had to find it online. I'm also using these, what are these called? They look like little sprinkles. These are from Dollar Tree, but I cannot think of the name of them off the top of my head. They're not like little beads, but they are like little paper. I don't know. I cannot think of what they are. And I ripped the tag off, so I don't even have the name for them like on hand. But you guys have probably seen them at Dollar Tree. They have these little sprinkle things all the time. All the time. I've used them for plenty of years. I glued them to this Dollar Tree sign, and then I cut a wooden dowel in a 3s, or I just used 3 pieces, and I glued them to the top of the apples so they would look like caramel apples. I didn't think any sort of writing was necessary. I think these are absolutely adorable, and I think those little sprinkle paper, whatever we want to call them, look super cute for little peanuts. So this one, I'm using one of these little ornaments again that is in the shape of a mug. I'm using that Tulip brand. I actually got this at Dollar Tree a long time ago, and then I picked up another one from Walmart, and I'm making this look like whipped cream, and I'm adding some more of those little faux sprinkles. Oh my gosh, somebody please tell me what they are. It is going to drive me crazy all day. I'm just gluing that right to the center of one of these Dollar Tree houses. And yes, I like poured hot glue all over my finger. It happens. Using a Dollar Tree sticker for the center, and that is all I did for this. I think some of these simple pieces are just so cute and they don't need much. Next one, I gave the Dollar Tree Plus section another chance at a Dollar Tree I don't normally go to, but this is the only thing that I found. So their wood pieces are pretty solid. I actually like them. I picked up a round a while ago, and then I found this one. This looks like a little tombstone, so if you guys do Halloween, you should probably pick some of these up if you have a Dollar Tree Plus. It look really cute as like some sort of fun tombstone. I'm not going that far. I'm painting it in white chalk paint, and I'm using this silk screen transfer from Chalk Couture. I don't do Chalk Couture enough on my channel, like as much as I would want, and I know some people are not into it, they don't love it, but if you guys have a Cricut or you can find stencils similar to this, they even have some on Amazon. So if it's not affordable for you, there are so many different options you can go with. Amazon has some really great silkscreen transfers like these. I don't think they last as long. Some of them I've noticed that I have just aren't the greatest, but I mean, they last for quite a while. But this Highland cow I've had for so long, and I don't know why I haven't used it. I just don't think I do Chalk Couture as much as I want to. And I really need to, because it's one of my favorite projects that I've done in this entire video is this one. And I'm using 4 different colors here. I'm just using my little paste scrapers, and I do have like a detail tool for that yellow color. And then I'm just going in, and I just wanted this to be like fun, colorful. I wanted it to kind of match the little fall autumn vibes here. This turned out so good. I was so happy with that. And then it came with like 2 little headbands. This one is like a little cheetah print, and I just did this one in red. And there's just another one you could do solid as well. There's just so many fun things, and these are reusable, so I hurry up and wash them out, and then I can use them over and over again. I just cannot wait to use this one again. I have to come up with another idea. This silkscreen transfer is also from Chalk Couture. I've had this one, I want to say last year. It was in the Club Couture stencil with Club Couture. It's like $22 a month US. And you can also get it in Canada. So if you're in Canada and you want to check out Chalk Couture, you can. It's just a little bit more. But you get like a monthly transfer in the chalk paste. And you also right now get surfaces as well to go along with it. But it's super fun, and you get like a fun, new, exciting transfer every single month for $22 with the paste, with the surface. It's great. But this is what it looks like when it is done, and I think this is so cute. I think that this would look good like white in another background color. I don't know. I just think it'd just be cute all around. This next one, I'm using this mason jar, and this is just like a wooden blank, and I got this at Walmart forever ago. Never used it. I think I picked it up around springtime, and you know how that goes. You buy things and then you just don't use them. I'm using another silkscreen transfer. I told you guys I don't use it enough, so I was really on a roll. When I do Chalk Couture, I really try to do like multiple projects because I have them all laid out over my kitchen counter waiting to dry so I can put the backings back on. It's like a whole like process. So it's kind of nice when I do like multiples. So then it just kind of makes everything just flow better. I already got the paste out. I already got everything out. So I might as well do multiple. But I thought these little pumpkins would look so cute in the inside of this mason jar. Of course, this is my favorite part, revealing underneath that stencil. It looks so nice. And then now I'm just going on to adding some florals and some greenery to the top of this to make this look like an actual mason jar filled with florals and different types of picks. And I'm going to be adding a sunflower as well. And then because the bottom of the stems showed so much, I wanted to wrap some twine around it just to cover it up a little bit. And I knew the picks and the flower would end up covering this as well, but just wanted to make sure and just add a little bit of twine. next one, I am using this sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm also using this galvanized square. And these two were in the same tote that I had, or the same bin, and they got stuck together, and I realized that they fit perfectly inside one another. I'm also using these wooden pumpkins. These were from Hobby Lobby, and I'm also using a small little thankful sign, and that was also from Hobby Lobby, but I actually picked that one up at a yard sale, so I'm not sure if they still have those available. But when you can find these 40 and 50% off, they are so inexpensive. I think I spent $1.19 on like a pack of 10 wooden pumpkins. I also had a little bit of these rub-on transfers. These were from Dollar Tree last year. I never seen them this year at my stores. Maybe I just wasn't looking enough or hard enough, but I was never able to find any more, and I had just a couple small pieces left from sheets, so I decided to add those on to the two pumpkins. I just grabbed my twine and I just made some twine bows for the pumpkins. And then once the bows were on the pumpkins, it was time to add them onto the galvanized piece. Like I said, this fits so perfectly in this sign. I didn't remove anything on the back of the sign. And if I did want to change it out later on, I could just pop that galvanized piece right off. I'm just using some hot glue to add these pumpkins. And then I'm just adding that thankful sign or thankful words right to the top. And everything fit so perfect on this sign. I feel like it was definitely meant to be. That is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love you consider sticking around and subscribing, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!